Hello all. So when you are in a relationship, you always do have some problems. And it's the same case I have with Excel. Being so passionate about Excel, I do have some problems. And I believe you must all be facing with those problems also. So let's see what I have to show you and what can be the solution for those. Let's start. So Excel is a tool for visualization using dashboards, pivot table, charts, etc. But it's not the best tool for the visualization. Okay, so there is a solution for it. Microsoft have also introduced Power BI in 2011. So basically, what is Power BI? It aims to provide an interactive visualization and business intelligence capabilities. Its interface is really simple and you can create your own report and can share with anyone. So it's very simple to use. I have posted some videos of Power BI also. I will drop a link. Do go and visit for once. It's really interesting. Second thing is that there are some new functions like XLOOKUP, XMatch, filter, sort, and there are a lot more which you don't get in your existing workbook. And also you don't want to take a monthly subscription of Office 365. So what you can do about that? So here's the solution for that. You can access them anytime on Office online version of Excel. So there is a website you can see. What you have to do, if you copy this link here, you will get an interface like this. Okay, here you can see it's login. So if you're not login, it will ask for your email ID and password. If you have not created your login in Microsoft, you always create a login in Microsoft using your existing Gmail or other email ID. So just create the login of yours and login. You will get this interface. Click on it. You will get a new worksheet. For the time being, if you don't have these functions in your existing Excel, you can always paste your data here and do your calculations and analysis, and you can get the end data which you can again paste in your existing files. So this is a cool jugaad, you can say. As of now, you can always use new functions on online Excel. Now the third is, like any other stream of study, one cannot be the master of MS Excel. So it really bothers me that I give so much of my time and energy in this, and still at some point of time I get to know, okay, this I don't know. So it's again a journey of learning, and to make it magical, we all should be act as a community and help each other. Now the next problem is, I think all Mac users can relate to me. If you are using Mac just for the basic functionality, it's fine. But when you get into the advanced functionality, it's not that efficient. So the solution is that either you switch to your Windows laptop, as I do. I have both Windows and MacBook. Or if you only have the MacBook, you can always use or download the Windows Excel using the Bootcamp or Paddler in your Mac. So basically you will be shifting from OS to Windows in your MacBook actually. So you can Google this about and switch over the Excel for Windows. Now in MacBook, what we use Excel for Mac. So basically if you want to go at the advanced level, you have to go on the Excel for Windows. So guys, this is it. I hope you like the videos. I try to give some solutions to the problem we face using Excel. And if you are facing any more problem, please comment in this comment box and let me know. And till that time, please like and share my video. Subscribe the video if you haven't. Thank you for the time.